Hello guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing of the phone that I ordered from Paytm. It is the iPhone 7, 128 GB rose gold. So let's see what all is there in the box and how the phone looks. Nice bubble packing of the phone, you can see. And this is the phone. And I'll just remove the bubble packing. Here's the phone. Quite compact boxing, and we can see all the things that it includes. It includes the phone itself, earpods with lightning connector, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, and the USB power adapter. And it was retailing at the amount of rupees 65,200, but I purchased it for around 47,000 with some cashback. So let's open the boxing. The plastic covering is quite hard and good quality. And what's written here? It's a product. Okay. So here's the box. Now let's open and see what's inside. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. And here's the phone. Oh, the phone looks very beautiful. This is the rose gold version for my sister actually, and yeah, it's the first iPhone that I'm holding and looks quite premium and sturdy. So let's keep this aside. Here we have the lightning charge, as they have said and mentioned. Okay, then the headphones for the phone without a headphone jack, and for that they have given us this adapter. And last is the charging cable. So this is all that we get in the box, and this is the phone, how it looks like. So this is how the phone looks like. It's 4.7-inch of screen and quite thin and really very sturdy. I think they didn't want that bend gate to happen again. And the phone looks like what it looks like in front of the S7 S8 Plus that I'm using currently. So both phones are one of the best phones of 2017, and the detailed comparative video I will be posting later. Thanks for watching the video.